Lochrannon, and we are making our way southeast through Brittany, and we are heading towards Carnac, which is quite a famous megalithic site. Yeah. Yeah, but we've stopped here first because this is also quite a well-known site that's just off the main road on the way to Carnac. That's amazing. Crikey. And this place is called the Kerzerho alignment. Look at the size of these. And there is over 190, and they go all the way back there. And apparently the route is a grand 8 kilometres if you want to do the entire route walking around the site, which we're not going to do because you don't really need to. Look at this. Lines upon lines of them. And this line here, look at the size of them. Look at the size of that one, it's huge. Yeah, and there's some over the road, look. And they just all lined up. You think there's a lot of stones at Stonehenge? Come here. Look at those over there. Look at them all. Oh my gosh. I've lost Bernard, completely lost Bernard. He's gone. He's on his way to wherever he's going. Really amazing thing is this isn't cordoned off. We now know that Carnac's cordoned off. It wasn't when we last visited, but apparently it is now. So this is actually one of the alignment places that you can actually come and actually walk still among the stones, which is amazing. And they're not insignificant stones, they're all very big. That's an amazing sight. Under the tree here, look. Under an oak tree. There's Bernie, I can see him in the distance. I just want to see if I can give you the impression of how much of in line they are. They are running in lines. There's probably 5 lines. There's one, 2, this line, one down the middle, 3, 5 I'd say altogether running this way, because that's 4, this one down here, that's 4, and then this one on the edge is 5. That's 5 lines. Wow. Let's go and have a little wander down here. Oh, and looking back, look, you can really see it. That's awesome. Let's keep walking this way. Apparently there are some grand menhirs, which are big, huge stones that head back towards the village. So we'll see if we can find those. This massive megalithic site, and there's nobody here. It's bonkers. If this was in the UK and it's a Saturday afternoon at the moment, it's early Saturday afternoon, this would be rammed. Let's see. Let's head towards Bernard. supposedly there's some really big giant ones. Not that way.
No. The alarm is back in the next couple of days, isn't it?
I think there's a way somewhere. Aha! That'll be it. I think we might have found the other path. Just want to get a shot of these alignments. Look at that. They are amazing. Can't believe people shifted all this rock. But they did. Why did they do it? Who knows? Let's follow this path through here and see if we can have a look at the other ones.
Watch your feet.
Ooh. That horsey doo-doo. Oh my gosh. Here we go. These are called the giant monoliths. Oh my god. These are big. Ooh. Wow. I'll get Birdie stood next to one so you can get an idea of how big they are. I'm going to stick. Oh, one stand next to the really. Look at that huge one on its side.
Farmer threw it out of the field.
He did not, Bernard. That's enormous. Look at the size of that thing. Look at that one. Stand next to that really tall one, Berno.
Yeah, there's a step for you here.
Come on, you stand next to that one. Look at the size of it. That's amazing.
Someone's made a staircase for you.
You can sit up there and have lunch, Berno. They call it the table of sacrifice, this one. This big one. They think it's a caved-in dolmen, which would be one that would have had a chamber underneath it. I can see that. And I can see why they would call it the table of sacrifice. It's very flat, sacrificial looking. Let's have a look this way. Oh, I should think. Yeah, I think that one's fenced off because of that one in the middle. That looks very precarious. Looks like that might fall off any minute. But that is
Been losing it. Still haven't got it in. Yep, that's just, oh, nearly.
The Géant de Kerzerho. The giant stones of Kerzerho. Yeah, they are pretty big. They're all kind of still in a line. Almost. That's a very flat one, isn't it? That's fallen over. And it's very calm. It's very quiet. And it's free. What an amazing sight. Absolutely amazing. Oh, there's another big one, Bernie. That's huge. Look at the size of that one. amazing.
Go on. Go and hug it. Well, let's just see if I can get it in. Is it in? You in touch with the your ancestors?
No.
You might be.
I might be. It's huge.
Well, since it fell.
Awesome.
I don't know which way up it was. Anyway, I suppose heavy end down. That's the end of them, yeah. There's farmers' fields now, suspiciously of no stones in them.
Yeah.
Very suspicious.
No, that is the route. And that was well worth the detour, wasn't it? Excellent. We're getting excellent from Bernie, we're doing well. I can't believe they just lugged these things here. Why? Hundreds of them, over about 190 they think there is here. Over 190 stones in alignment. It's bonkers. Let's go back. Back down the path. To Ruby, back to the van, and you think this is impressive. Wait until you see Karnak. Wow.